back. We're here in Visual Studio again with our app. And, it doesn't do much, but I want to talk about debugging for a minute. It is the one piece of the puzzle that will probably take you further in your software engineering career than anything, mostly because you are able to step through a program line by line, and what you envisioned might not actually be happening, and you can interrogate things and see if that's the case. So, for example, let's just say we added a variable here, var s equal hello C#. Okay, and let's say that we wanted to string that out instead, and that's a terrible variable. Then you should never do that. Okay, we're going to say var greeting. So don't do that. That's a bad practice. So var greeting hello C#, and we're going to string that out to the console, right? So here you see this red dot here. If you just use the F9 key, you can turn these breakpoints on and off. And all a breakpoint means is that I want you to run the program until you get to that point, and then I want to step through it line by line. So if we go ahead and run our app, it's going to actually take us back into Visual Studio where we can step through this program one line at a time. This is really where it becomes powerful. So the F10 key will step to the next line. It'll step over the line you're on, right? So we're just going to hit F10 one more time. And notice down here in the locals window, which is kind of like it's an ever-changing autos, and you can decide how deep you want to go with those locals and stuff like that. But basically, it's just kind of keeping track of things that are around you and available to you right now, and they'll change all the time. But notice that greeting now has hello C#, and it is a string. And so we know what the value of greeting is. Now, if we wanted to change that, we could go here, hello C#, you are awesome. Okay? And now if we were to hit play, continue, because we're good, we've done our debugging, we know what we need to change, we changed it here, okay? What's going to happen? Well, the console window is going to close, so we can't actually see it. And so let me show you a little trick. You can do console.readline, okay? And that's going to wait for input from the console, and that's what happened. While debugging, the application was done, it didn't have anything else to do, and so it simply just shut everything down, right? That doesn't happen if you do it without debugging, but that's okay. So again, we're going to change this to hello C#. You are awesome, okay? We're going to write that to the console, and then the console is going to ask us to do something, press any key basically, right? So now we get to see the output was hello C#, you are awesome. This is where debugging comes in and is going to be one of the most powerful tools that you can have at your disposal. And I think really that in the case of most people that I mentor, the one thing that they're missing big time is the ability to debug their programs. So listen, until next time, I hope to see you in the next video, and I hope I can teach you more.